How to get started with AWeber email marketing tutorial 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about a Webby or a Weeb, whatever you want to pronounce it in. Now, we're going to be talking about this in great detail, so please do make sure to watch this video till the end and listen to all the information I have to provide you about AWeber. And it's a great email marketing platform. We're going to be talking about it. It's great for small businesses. It has great campaigning, great emailing system, great templates, and it also has automation. And the best thing about this is it has a totally free plan. So yeah, we're going to be discussing all of that, and again, in great detail and great depth. So do make sure to watch this video till the end and gain all the knowledge you can, and don't miss any ounce of information or detail. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So let's head into the AWeber or AWeber.com, and here we are. So grow, sell, and engage with your audience, all from a single platform. Send emails, create landing pages, and automate your marketing. Now, obviously, you can go ahead and set names for yourself, set email addresses, etc. But before that, you can explore the page if you want to. They have a lot of features, so easy to use marketing solutions for quicker success and at a fraction of the cost of other solutions. Then you have all these features: email marketing, the feature that we're going to be using. Then you have landing page builder, again, great feature. Email automation, again, something we're going to be using. Then you have e-commerce pages for your online store or something like that, so you get the point. Now, what can you do using AWeber? You can grow your email list, you can make money easily, create customers for life, save time with automation, get eyes on your content, and all that goes with it. And then obviously you have great integrations like PayPal, Shopify, WordPress, Facebook, Zapier, and much more. So yeah, that's what we're getting into. So to get started with the whole sign up process, let's head over to pricing. Now, once you go to pricing, obviously here, as you can see, you have all these things going on. Okay, so first of all, you can see the plans. We're going to switch to monthly, and once you switch to monthly, obviously you can see all the stuff that goes over here. So first of all, you have unlimited, plus, light, and free. So the free is obviously $0, and you have all this stuff to go with it. So up to 500 subscribers, one email list, one landing page, one email automation, basic email support, basic template, and all that. Then you have the light, plus, and unlimited. The light is $15, plus is $30, and unlimited is obviously $900 per month. But obviously that depends on your subscribers. You can obviously increase the subscribers, decrease them, and it's all going to depend on that. Now, what we're going to do, as I said, we're going to go ahead and get started with free. You can always check out their features if you want to. Pretty good features too. Now, I'm going to go ahead and start adding my information. There we go. Now, they're going to ask you your email address. Now, for this video, I'm going to be using a temp mail. Okay. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I know I'm going to dispose of this account after this video. So, using a proper Gmail account in this case wouldn't, be very viable to me. So I'm going to skip that. Add your Gmail address over here. Okay. As so. And once you do that, you're going to click on start growing today. Obviously, it's going to give you a captcha post or something like that. So here we are. Start creating remarkable experiences today. You're going to go ahead and add all the information they ask you to. Again, pretty simple stuff to do. So I'm going to go ahead, add the email again. There we go. So enter billing information. So just go ahead and add a billing address for yourself. I'm just going to leave a random address, to be honest. Now, once you do that, it's going to ask for your credit card number and everything. It's going to give you this, start the plus plan or something like that. Now, if you don't want to do that, just go ahead, go back, okay? And do make sure that you're starting with the free one. And once you start with the free one, again, as I explained, you're just going to head straight into, all that stuff. So again, don't necessarily start with AWeber Plus because we're not going to go with that. Again, do make sure this is AWeber Plus right here. We don't want to do that. We're going to start with AWeber free, as I stated. So from there on out, obviously, once you're done with all of this, once you're done with the main stuff, yeah, from there on out, as I said, you're going to be pretty much good to go. And the fun part about all of this is that, once you've added all the information and once all the essential stuff is done, you're going to get into the dashboard and the mainframe of AWeber. Now, the fun thing about AWeber is that you're going to need to go to your dashboard and stuff. So by the way, do know this, that AWeber is associated with the, if you've heard about it, you have ConvertKit. Okay, so AWeber is very much affiliated with ConvertKit, and ConvertKit, again, great app and software. And AWeber is basically, affiliated with this. So basically, once you've signed up with AWeber and, let them know all your information, you're just going to add in your email or advocate ID, log in with this stuff. And once you do that, the interface is going to be pretty much the same. So you're going to have, grow, send, automate, earn, all this stuff right here as so. Even if you go ahead, you're going to write the AWeber dashboard. Let me show you that. It's pretty much the same. Everything looks exactly similar. So again, as you can see, and the fun thing about AWeber is that it gives you all the analytics for, the type of marketing you're doing. And as you can see up here, you have all this stuff going on, messages, schedulism, sign up form, and all that stuff. So the same goes over here. So basically, they're going to give you these options: grow, send, and automate. So in grow, what's going to happen is you're going to, get all the contacts into your system. So to get your contacts, there's many ways. You can import them, or you can, just add them one by one. Importing them is a great feature. Like, you can import them in either CSV or XLX, basically an Excel file. Now you're going to do that using an Excel file. Obviously, if you use Microsoft Excel, you know that Microsoft Excel has records and data. So what you can do is you can obviously one by one make records on the table, and once those records are in, from there on out, you're gonna make sure to basically, just export that in the right form to the page. Now, the other great thing is that if you come to send over here, this is where you're going to do your email marketing. This is where you're going to do your campaigning and all that stuff. So you're going to create an email template for yourself. And once you do that, you're going to come to broadcast. As you can see, send emails to some or all of your audience and to your public feed. So you're obviously going to send those emails around, and you're going to have, fun with it, because it's pretty simple, pretty basic stuff. And it's like 2 feet away from you. Just by a touch, you're gonna send emails out. So it's pretty good stuff. Then obviously you have automation. Automation is a good thing as well. If you don't know what automation, as we all know, is when basically a trigger, it takes place, and that trigger does an action. And when that action happens, basically, your life is made easier, your work is made easier. You don't have to, see things 2 times at one place. So you get the point. So you have an extra employee, but the employee isn't an actual person. It's just an automated AI bot. So yeah, pretty basic, pretty easy stuff. Now, once obviously you've discussed that, from here on out, what you're going to do is, you're going to be good to go from there. So sign up, get familiarized with it, and so that's your AWeber platform. Now, if you found this video helpful, please do drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below. But until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will be seeing all of you next time. Goodbye.